was a very wonderful experience. I recommend all the plastic surgeons all over Kerala to come here. Hi everyone, I'm Dr. Najeeb Mohamed, a plastic surgeon from Kerala, exactly speaking Calicut. First of all, I will tell you about the experience. When I'm coming from Kerala, I was thinking that it's a different place, different people, how I will be welcomed, whether I will be welcomed there. All those things were then in my mind. So when I reached here, it was a different story. Every people, including sir and his staffs, everybody was very friendly to me. I didn't feel that I'm in a different place. Coming to workshop, so it's like it's more. I never felt a workshop which is this much lively, and I never attended another workshop like this. So sir was giving different proper training, like he was giving a proper experienced training, not like teaching theory or anything. He was giving all the practical tips. How to mark, how to take care of the patient, how to do all the slits, and how to take care of the follicles, and how to implant. Everything he is teaching, and he is letting us to do things, and with a proper hands-on workshops. Teaching us all those things. So sir he was arranging us classes on GST, how to do marketing, and also he was also giving practical tips to take care of all the hair loss patients, all the dermatological aspects also he was teaching.